Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are really doing well. So guys, today I'm going to review a very famous product and which is going all over the internet and people are going crazy over it. And yes, you guessed it right, it is the niacinamide serum. Okay, and the niacinamide serum that I'm going to review today is from the brand Via Naturals. Okay, so I'm going to review this, and let me tell you, I have used it for 1 month complete, and now I'm ready to give you my opinion on this product. So if you're interested, then keep on watching the video, and also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a hell lot to me. And now, without much of blabbering, let's just start the video. So now let's just talk about niacinamide first, and then we will come to reviewing this product. Okay, so what is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3. Okay, and what does it do? Why people are going crazy over it? It is because, like, if talking in simple language, it is one of those ingredients which tackles almost every skin problems, like from acne, pigmentation, discoloration, and wrinkling and anti-aging, open pores, everything. It tackles with each and everything. Okay, so that's why it is one of those ingredients that can help you in achieving that flawless skin. And this is one of that ingredient also which is really skin friendly, so there are very less chances of you reacting with this serum. So yes, that's why people are going crazy over it. And now comes the question that like what percentage of niacinamide you should use. Okay, so the percentage of niacinamide really should be like from 5% to 10%, and if you are a beginner, then start with 5% and then go on to 10% or a higher percentage, because if you directly go on a higher percentage, there are like hell lot of chances that your skin is going to react to it. Okay, so always start from the lower percentage and then go to the higher percentage. And according to me, what I was thinking, like after using this product, what I was thinking that, like, if you have like lot of acne problems, okay, then you should go for 10% niacinamide. Other than that, if you have any other skin issues, you should stick to 5% niacinamide, because if you use it for a longer period of time, it will show you great results. And coming to the 10% niacinamide, I'm not sure whether you should use it or not, because I have seen people reacting to it. So first try a lower percentage and then go to higher percentage according to your skin need. So yeah, that was about niacinamide, and now let's just review the product. So now coming to the product, this is the Via Naturals niacinamide serum, okay, with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera and rosemary extracts. Okay, so rosemary leaf extract, sorry. Okay, so it costed for MRP 695 rupees, but I got it for like 570 rupees on discount, so that was good. And you get 30 ml of the product. Okay, and what is the reason why I bought this particular niacinamide serum? There were just two reasons. Okay, first, because it was famous, yeah, I mean, of course, and secondly, the ingredient list was quite impressive. Okay, and one of the great things that I saw in their ingredient list was that they have written the ingredients in such a manner that even the person who doesn't know how to read ingredients can read it and understand it. Okay, because mostly ingredients are written in their chemical form or chemical names, and most of the people lack in understanding what is written on it. But the ingredient list is written quite in a easy language, so everyone can understand it, and there are no harmful chemicals in it whatsoever. So the ingredient list is pretty good. It has like purified water, then niacinamide, then aloe vera, corn extract, glycerine, then sugar from corn extract, sugar cane, rosemary leaf extract. Remember, it doesn't have rosemary essential oil, it has rosemary leaf extract and citric fruit. Okay, so the ingredient list is pretty much very good. Okay, and that was the reason why I chose this product. Okay, so when you open the product, oh, it's really hard to open it. Finally. Okay, so when you take out the product, this is the product. You get it in a glass bottle like this. Okay, and it does come with a pump. You can see it does come with a pump, which is good. And all you need to do is just press it, and you will get the serum, and as you can see, the serum is really watery in texture. Okay, so the serum is water soluble, and that's why when you use it on your face, and when you rub it nicely, it gets totally absorbed into your skin. So yeah, that is the great thing, because it is water soluble. It will get absorbed by your skin really, really well, like this. But you need to make sure that after applying this, you need to apply a moisturizer on top of it, otherwise your skin will feel dry. So if you don't want that, and especially in winter, so you need to apply some sort of moisturizer on top of it. So okay, so once you have massaged it, completely in your skin, you can see that there is nothing on your skin. See, there's nothing on your skin. It has got totally absorbed into your skin, and it feels like you have applied nothing on your face. Okay, so that's why you need to apply a moisturizer on top of it, otherwise your face will feel dry. So this was the consistency of it. So now coming to my experience with the product, my experience with this product was pretty good. Okay, and I got this on 1st of November, and today is 2nd of December. I have used it for straight 1 month. In the initial days, I was using it just once a day, that too at night, but later on I started using it twice a day, one in the morning and other in the evening. Okay, so that was the way I was using it. Now here comes the most important question: what it did to my skin and what it didn't, and what I was expecting from it and everything. So now, okay, so the first thing that I noticed in my skin was it really helps with acne scarring and acne breakouts. Okay, if you have acne scars, then you should definitely go for this product, because it does help in reducing your acne scars. And even if you have acne breakouts, this serum also helps in getting rid of those acne as well. And like, it really, really, really works on acne. So if you have any issue with acne scarring, all of those things, then this is the go-to product. So the second thing that I noticed in my skin was, if you have skin texture, okay, or if you have like little bumps on your face, this is also the serum you should go for. This is actually the serum you should go for. Like if you have textured skin, or if you have like little bumps on your face, it will definitely help in removing that and making your skin really good. And I noticed it because I was having a little bit of bumps on my forehead. These days I don't know what reacted to it, and I was having bumps on my face, and it really helped me in getting rid of that. So yes, it also works on skin texture and the little bumps on your face. So the third thing that I noticed while using the serum was, it does make your skin glow, because it is meant to even out your skin, and as soon as the skin is evening out, you can see your face glowing. Okay, of course you will see that. So it does provide you a glow, which is like the most important thing that I always want. I don't want my face to look dull. I want my face to look glowy. Even if there are scarring and all those things, doesn't matter, but I want my face to glow. Like, I want my face to look that at least glowing. So yeah, the serum does provide that. So the last thing is that, which this serum also claims is what niacinamide also does, it is treating your hyperpigmentation, and it is also anti-aging. So coming to anti-aging feature, I really can't say anything about it, because I'm like, I don't know about the anti-aging effect that it gives. That you can tell for after using it for a really longer period of time. And secondly, coming to hyperpigmentation, I did not see any improvement in my hyperpigmentation. I did see improvement in my acne scars, but I didn't see any improvement in my hyperpigmentation. So that is the thing. But I know that this product will work. Like, if you use it for a longer period of time, you will see great results. You can't expect a miracle in just 1 month. So yeah, if let me use it for like 6 months at least, and then I'll come back and I'll definitely share the I'll definitely share the results. And I know that it will work that way. So it will work on your hyperpigmentation, but you need to be really patient, and you need to use it for a longer period of time. So yeah, that that's it. And this was my experience with the product. And if you ask me whether you should buy this product or not, then I would highly recommend you to buy this product and try it for once. And I'm sure that it will not react to your skin whatsoever, and this is going to give you great results also. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, tata, bye bye.